Is Forex trading profitable? I'm asking this question myself last 13 years, and sometimes I think that I don't have answer. However, my experience showed me that there were a lot of people that I met all these years. They're very, very good traders and very, very profitable in Forex industry. So because of them, I created this video just to share my opinion about this topic and to try to describe different groups of people who are trading right now in this Forex market. The first thing that a lot of traders think is about profitability is that Forex trading is very easy. Just press the button and very soon you will earn a lot of money. Of course, after a couple days or a couple months, they think that, oh, Forex is a scam. You cannot make fast money. The market is always against you, etc., etc. And the beginner traders, a lot of them, they just move out and they gave up because they think that it's impossible. However, there are stubborn people. They will try months and months, years and years, and many of them will become some kind of traders. Good, very good, excellent. The first thing, before I start to talk about profitability, that I want to share with you is that you need to know there are always three choices in front of you. You can buy, you can sell, but you can keep. You can be flat. This is two positions. Sometimes the smartest thing that you can do is to be flat, not trade. And this is very important as the first and maybe final lesson that you need to know in trade. For example, I know my great friend, very good trader, he was very, very bad during the Friday. So he had some problem, and all his positions usually on Friday are just bad because his strategy is a little bit stubborn and not optimized for Friday trading, and because of that he was bad. But he decided to not to trade during the Friday, and he became very good and profitable trader. But today, last 5 years, no Friday trade. So it's a very interesting. The second type of the traders today in this business, they want to be profitable, but they very, very often so electronically try to use only expert advice, only technical, only charts, and they forget something, that sometimes they need to monitor economic news, to do fundamental analysis. It's very, very important. And one of the very important lessons is that you only have to have an opinion on a few things. You don't need to be expert in everything. So a lot of beginner traders try to trade at the same time in gold and euro dollar and British pound dollar and everything. It's a mistake. My advice is always specialize. For example, only British pound dollar. I will cover British economy, I will cover US economy, and this is it. Later you can add maybe 1 or 2 or 3 assets, but cannot know everything. You cannot track it. I know that some people think that they can. You cannot. And on the end, after several years, if you're very, very stubborn, if you try to be good in trading, you will hit the goal. You will create some kind of strategy there that you feel comfortable, and maybe you will create some result. But today, overtrading is one of the biggest obstacles when you talk about profitability, because people have too many systems. They trade, like I said earlier, euro dollar, British pound dollar, they trade gold, ETFs, stocks, everything, and sometimes that can be a huge problem. You need to have control, you need to specialize, and you will be good. So now let me start and talk about, is Forex trading profitable? For 70 to 75% of all traders in this world, Forex trading is not. Why? They invest $100 to $500, they have poor money management, and they have high risk. Sometimes I saw that few traders trade 1 million lot when they have $200. That's 100%. I'm sure that guy, that person will lose all money because they're making small profits in position, holding on losing trades too long, and of course they risk too much, and you don't have a chance. Just I want to show one table. Remember this table. When you lose 10% from your maximum drawdown in equity, you need 11% to recover. If you lose 20%, you will need 25% to recover. And you see the stupidity. You know, if you lose 50%, then you need to earn 100% to be break even. It's stupidity. High risk is stupidity. You need to risk small, not just because you want to be moderate, you want to be conservative, you want to be You need to be nimble, etc., etc. No, you need to do that, because if you do opposite, you risk too much, you will lose every. Money management is the theory, is a science. It's not something that you should not think about. There is a group number 2, PAMM, signals expert advisor traders. Up and down. They do not have control. They try to buy some expert advisors that they don't understand, or they like to follow some traders that they think they're very good traders, but they're not. They're blind to evaluate. They see just profitability. They don't see that guy have 12 months losing trade. They don't want to close that trade, and they think, oh, one day it will recover and I will earn money. Yes, but one day you will lose all your money, because that kind of money manager is bad. You need to have control. Even you need to follow a very good money manager, or you really need to your own custom strategy or custom expert advisor, etc. The 10% of all traders, they have a success sometimes, but they on the end lose majority of money, or they be break even, but it's not good group to be. Group number 3, stagnation. They trade sometimes, not very, just usually the long-term traders. Make trade on Monday, and after 10 days they close that trade. They don't use fundamental analysis a lot. Some of them use, but they don't want to think a lot. They don't want to make some kind of commit. It's a 5% of all traders, and on the end, they do not lose money, but they do not earn money. We talk about profitability. There is a group number 4. Invest in everything. Invest in crypto, ETFs, stocks, Forex, commodities, everything. It's a 5% of all traders. Like I said, they don't know knowledge for every single asset. They just invest. It's investors in Forex industry that not traders in the real time. So this kind of group, you can be profitable sometimes not. Some year is profitable, some not. But usually if they invest in stocks, because the stocks, US stocks particularly, going up during the years, they earn money. But it's not because of trading. It's because they invest in something that we call a value investment. So sometimes we can see Forex traders that trade Forex, but they're classical investors, and that can be profitable, like I said, but sometimes not be profitable, because in Forex industry, if you buy Eurodollar and keep 10 years, you will not earn money. If you buy some stock, you can, because that company grows, it's better and better, etc., etc. Group number 5, somewhere that I want to be. Profitable remote trade manual using custom expert advisor, develop strategies last 10 years or more, sometimes 15 years, 20 years, sometimes 5. Experienced traders, they like to get funds for prop companies, and they can earn from $5,000 to $100,000 per month. I know a lot of traders, they do that. Majority of them, they use usually some kind of expert advisors, but there is a manual traders too, so there is a 50-50, and they are very good. They can be good. I want to be in this group. Sometimes I'm in this group, but I'm not satisfied because I have a losing month. Sometimes I'm not profitable, and this is not good in my opinion, but I'm fighting and I'm trying to be good as I can. Of course, I know that you maybe subscribe to a lot of YouTube channels, so you can see 70 years teenagers. They're very profitable. They have millions and millions of dollars, etc. I know that they lie, but I don't want to lie you. It's very hard to be good in trading. Majority of them, they earning either from online courses or YouTube channels, but they don't earn from Forex industry, from the trading. If you want to earn from trading, you need really have 100% commitment there, and you need to work a lot, and you need to test strategies, change strategies. It's a really tough job. Group number 6, the last one, it's a big dogs. They're work investing companies. They have a license, certifications. They passed a lot of exams. They are employees. They trade Forex and indices. They manage a large amount of money. They're very rare. Couple percent of the people in the whole world. And if they earn 20% annually, they are rich. Very rich. We're talking about millions of dollars. And it is something that too far from all our YouTubers and people who watch YouTube channels and trade for home as a remote traders. It's a different universe. And that people exist, they work a lot, they have a lot of money, not because their strategy gives so many percentage, etc. Like I said, 10% or 20% on annual base is their goal, but the catch is they manage a large amount. Sometimes they manage like one GDP from some small country. They have a lot of money, and because of that they are very rich, not because they have a strategy with X% of success rate. So this is the very important thing. So I just want to tell you, you can visit our website, you can subscribe to our channel, you can just check all these videos that we create. I just want to tell you that trading is a real job. There is a lot of risks there. You can lose all your money, so you need to be very cautious. You need to risk small portions. I risk sometimes 0.5%, sometimes 0.25% my portfolio, because this is only way to keep your drawdown less than 5% or less than 10%. What is the final goal? So this is it. I wish you a great day and bye bye.